Picture this for a moment. You are using Linux Mint 22.3. Everything feels smooth, the desktop looks clean, and then suddenly you need to record your screen. Maybe you're making a tutorial, maybe you want to capture gameplay, or maybe you just want to show someone how to fix something on their system. Now, here's the interesting part. Many screen recorders work on Linux, but most of them rely heavily on the CPU. That means higher system load, louder fans, and sometimes dropped frames. This is where GPU Screen Recorder becomes incredibly interesting. Instead of forcing the processor to do all the work, it uses your graphics card to encode the video. The result is smoother recording, lower CPU usage, and much better performance overall. So in this video, we are going to set up GPU Screen Recorder on Linux Mint 22.3 and see why it is becoming one of the best recording tools for Linux users. Let's start with installation. Open your software manager in Linux Mint and search for GPU Screen Recorder. On newer Linux Mint releases, the package is usually available in the repositories, which makes the process extremely simple. Once you find it, install the application just like any other program. Linux Mint will download the required components and integrate it into your system automatically. After the installation finishes, open the application from the menu. When GPU Screen Recorder launches for the first time, you will notice something refreshing. The interface is minimal and focused. No complicated panels, no confusing menus, just the essential controls you actually need. Now, let's configure the basics. At the top, you will see options to choose what you want to record. You can record the entire screen, a specific monitor, or even a selected window. For most tutorials, recording the full screen works best because viewers can clearly follow what you're doing. Next comes the encoder section. This is where the magic happens. Instead of using software encoding, GPU Screen Recorder uses hardware encoding from your graphics card. If you are using an NVIDIA GPU, it uses NVENC. If you are on AMD, it uses VAYAP. And if you're on Intel graphics, it can also use hardware acceleration. Hardware encoding means your GPU handles the heavy work of compressing video while your CPU stays mostly free. That is why this recorder is excellent for gaming videos or long tutorials. Now take a look at the frame rate option. 60 frames per second is ideal for smooth tutorials and gameplay recordings. If your system is lower powered, 30 frames per second is also perfectly fine. Then we have the output settings. Here you choose where the recorded video will be saved. I recommend selecting a folder that is easy to access, like the Videos folder in your home directory. Another useful option is audio recording. GPU Screen Recorder allows you to capture system audio and microphone input. This is perfect if you are narrating a tutorial while demonstrating something on the screen. Once everything is set, recording becomes extremely simple. Press the record button and the application immediately starts capturing your screen. Because the GPU is handling the encoding, the system remains responsive. Even on mid-range hardware, the desktop continues to run smoothly. When you finish recording, simply press Stop. The video file will appear in your chosen output folder, ready for editing or uploading. There is something philosophically satisfying about tools like this. In computing, efficiency is elegance. Instead of brute forcing a problem with raw CPU power, GPU Screen Recorder quietly delegates the work to hardware that was designed for exactly this task. The system breathes easier, the recording looks better, and the user experience becomes simpler. For Linux Mint users, especially those creating tutorials, gameplay videos, or technical demonstrations, GPU Screen Recorder is easily one of the best tools available today. It's lightweight, fast, and built with the modern Linux desktop in mind. Linux keeps evolving in fascinating ways. Tools that once required complicated command lines are now becoming simple, elegant applications. GPU Screen Recorder is a perfect example of that quiet progress happening in the Linux ecosystem.